Hey guys, Wesley here, back with another video, and today we're doing something pretty cool. We're doing the Bath Motorsport K-brace on both an E90 and my personal E92 M3, which is pretty cool. There is no videos out there on how to install it, so I've never done one. Let's see how easy or hard it will be. I'll start by showing the colors we chose, the cars and everything like that, so you guys get an idea on what it is. The E90 is my old car, but he's done a lot of stuff that kind of changes it from when I had it. But yeah, let's go over the cars, K-brace, and let's get started. So super quick overview, this is matched, so it is white K-brace for my Alpine White E92. It's on TE, supercharged, and tons of goodies. And then here is the E90, so lowered on some forged wheels. This, what's the color code on this, Sergio?
I
don't know, something fancy. There's only like 300 made in this color. Sparkling gray metallic?
Sparkling graphite metallic.
Sparkling graphite metallic, yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, let's get started first. I think we have to just start by taking out all the carpets and everything like that in the car. And yeah, let's get started. So super easy. These are just a couple clips right in here. And then it looks like all the other stuff is just tiny little clips everywhere. So far, so good on taking all the carpets out. So from what it looks like to me, this is gonna fit that hole right there, which is already cut from factory. And then this, it's somewhere here in the middle. Instead of cutting a random hole here in the middle, what I'm gonna do is just cut a clean section that I marked. That way it looks even. I mean, obviously you're gonna see a little bit of what's behind, but I think it's gonna look much clearer than trying to cut a perfect hole for the mount, which is just not gonna, it's just not gonna happen. Cuts look pretty clean, so just gonna go see if that clears it, and if so, we'll start installing everything back together. Guys, so K-brace is in and it looks pretty sick. Install wasn't terrible, wasn't easy. I'm sorry, I can't speak. But I'm sorry I didn't record more, but pretty much what you do is you find the locations for those two. They're already existing bolts. One bolts up to the top, one bolts up to the bottom. Pretty much all you gotta do is just mark them, which you'll see my marks. Obviously only you guys can tell, no one's gonna be able to tell, but you Sharpie mark the brackets. That way you know exactly where they're supposed to be. You tighten down the brackets and then you just slide the K-brace right in there and then tighten the K-brace. But looks pretty good. Pretty much have to clean it up, and yeah, not terrible. If you have an E90 M3 and the seats don't fold down, this K-brace does not fit. So that's what happened with the other M3. The seats don't fold down, so the K-brace did not fit. And yeah, sucks, but at least we got this one in. So sorry, I am back to my iPhone. I don't know if this camera is actually better or worse than the GoPro, but I just kind of want to give you guys an update. So the car, the brace has been installed on the car for a little bit. I haven't driven it too much since then. So I can say I've probably put around 1,000 miles on the car since the K-brace. It's not a huge difference, so I just kind of wanted to clear up what you can expect when installing this brace. Now, if you guys are in the BMW group for the M3, the V8 models, so the E90X M3, I'm pretty active on there, and I made a post regarding this brace as soon as I installed it. So if you're expecting to install this and see a massive difference as soon as you install it, I mean, it's not that. You know, there's really no difference that I could tell when I installed this brace into the car, and that was a lot of the misconception. So a lot of people were just saying it's a waste of money and stuff like that. So, and I understand that. So from my side of views, it does help somewhat. Is it a huge difference? No, absolutely not. Probably not something you can really notice on the streets. Maybe something you can notice on the racetrack, maybe not. It should, in theory, stiffen up the back. Obviously, it's a big help because it connects both sides of the back of the strut area, and it just kind of has some support back there. So in theory, it should definitely help. It's actually really well built, really good quality, and it definitely should help. In regards to that, a lot of people were pretty much complaining because they didn't know what it was. So this brace is produced by Bath Motorsport. They're over in the UK, which is nice. It's a legit company. They build these things for multiple cars. These things go through testing and everything like that. So it's not some random company, and they're actually very, very affordable. So I think shipped to the United States from the UK, painted and everything like that, I paid $160 for it, and that's regular price with shipping and everything. So I think the pricing is very fair. It looks sick. I mean, opening the car, like when you click the button at night when it opens and the lights are shining down, you can just see the brace back there, especially given that the car's white and it's white with the seats folded down. It looks really cool. Like when you look in your rear view, you can see the brace. Really cool. I definitely would do it again on another one of my cars. But again, if you're expecting this to be a huge increase in performance, or I guess not performance, but handling, it's not. You have to be realistic in what you're getting yourself into, and at the end of the day, it's something that's good quality, well built, and very affordable. I mean, 163 shipped is cheap when it comes to mods, and it looks super cool. I mean, it looks awesome. So definitely recommend. Not a huge difference, if I could say, driving wise. I mean, definitely not on the streets. Nothing that you can notice a significant difference in the car. Anyways, we do still have the one that didn't fit on the E90, which is a Nardo gray brace. If anybody has a E92 or even an E90 with your seats, with the option that the seats fold down, it does fit in those cars. And yeah, hit me up if you guys want it. I can definitely hook you up with a good deal on it. It's not me, but my buddy Sergio. He'll probably sell it for a good discount from what you can get them new. Alrighty, guys. So thank you for watching. If you guys do like the videos, I'm gonna try to get back into it. It's kind of hard with work and everything, but I will try to get back into the whole video thing. I have the E92, as you saw now, which is a amazing car, and I also have a really sick 4Runner, which we have done some mods to. So yeah, stay tuned. I will make a garage update video. I had made one before, which I never got to edit, and I actually ended up selling 2 of the cars. If you guys go on my Instagram, you guys can see all the cars I've had since last pretty much making videos, but I've had a lot of sick cars. So my Instagram will be down below in the description if you want to go ahead and follow me on there. But yeah, in the meantime, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. There will be a 4Runner video coming out soon. If you guys are into the Toyota trucks, that's pretty cool. But yeah, stay tuned. Definitely will make a garage update video showing you walk around of the whole cars. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and see you next. I can't talk. Appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.